Hello my gorgeous friends, I hope you are well. I'm back with another mukbang. See if this will work out. I don't know. I tried to set this up a different, I don't know. I have Subway. Yeah, I'm still testing out a new camera. It's the Sony ZV-1. I shot a mukbang yesterday and it overheated. But I found some settings that shouldn't cause it to overheat today. It's overheating because I'm shooting in 4K. So anyway, yeah, hope you guys are doing well. I have a cheese sandwich. I've kind of set up like my nightstand, and I'm just crouching in the middle of my room in front of the windows where I think there's good lighting. So I'm also packing for a trip. I just got my nails done. I think they came out okay. That's like, it's like a white or beige French manicure. I actually browse foot fetish Instagrams, and that's how I found that beautiful picture inspiration for my pedicure today. Oh my God, life. Oh, fuck. Hold on. So we have the sandwich. We have cheese Doritos, my favorite. We have the tomato that fell on the ground 5 minutes ago. Excellent. Oh my goodness. Okay. So, manja, let's eat. Yeah, today I got American cheese, Swiss cheese, lettuce, tomato, extra pickles, salt and pepper, and mayonnaise. I love a good cheese sandwich from Subway. Mmm. Mmm. Very good. I was hungry. It's 3 o'clock. I only had a yogurt this morning. So this will probably be like my main one meal of the day. Ugh. I just inhaled all the fumes instead of the liquid. I found this under my bed. Wow. Okay. Yeah, so I created a lot of videos yesterday. A mukbang where testing out the new camera, and the mukbang, it overheated. And I'm also realizing, I think pretty much YouTube is the only place where you can actually upload full 4K videos right now. Because I know Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Facebook, OF, they don't handle 4K videos. Oh my God, I knew I was going to drop it. Thank God I put the cap on. And I brought a whole freaking towel over here because I knew this was going to drop. I know that I'm going to spill this all over the floor. I just know it. But it's fine. The cap was on. But I think this looks awesome. Like, I think the coloring is really good. And even the 4K videos that I had that I downgraded to 1080p still looked better, in my opinion, than shooting in 1080p. So I feel like, wow. I finally upgraded to 4K. In my opinion, it was kind of scary because I was like, I'm going to look like shit. But somehow I look better. I don't know how. You think this thing doesn't shut off after 5 minutes and overheat like it did last time? That's awesome. And I'll keep it. Mmm. 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 Compliments to the chef. The woman who worked at Subway had a Subway shirt. It just said spicy, which I think is kind of cool because, you know, I don't know, the spicy also means kind of sexy, so that was kind of cool shirt. And she was winging me out, and she walked away for a second. She's like, sorry, pickle on the floor. Just, I hate when I step on pickles. And I was like, oh yeah, you don't want to slip on it. And she's like, no, I just hate the feeling. So yeah, I get it. But I would be afraid to slip on it, personally. Pickles, they don't let you go down without a fight. What? Oh my god. So I'm packing because I'm going to Europe. I'm going on an awesome European trip with my mom. Trip of a lifetime. So excited. I'm trying to I really have just the rest of today and tomorrow, my first flight. It's Monday at 6 a.m. So yeah, I'm trying to edit and get a bunch of stuff done ahead of time because I'm not really going to have much time at all while I'm on the trip. And I don't know, my online stuff is the biggest part of my life. So I'm super actually nervous about how to maintain it, how to keep up with it over there while I'm away. So I'm going to be gone for a little while. But I'll figure it out. If I don't figure it out, I need to, no matter what, enjoy the trip with my mom. A trip of a lifetime. I mean, I'm so excited. I think it's good. This is tasty. This is just what the doctor ordered. As they say. Yeah, I did pretty good at the nail salon, just being social. I kind of talked to a couple people while I was there. That's the other good thing about this camera. It has really good focus. I put something in front, it focuses. Let's try it on this. Oh, look at that. It did it. That is huge. This is an awesome vlogging camera. But the screen pulls out to the side, and my other one pulled up top, so you would see me kind of a little bit looking up. Now you see me looking what looks to me way outside of the lens. So, I don't know how. I don't like that, but what are you gonna do? I don't think Swiss was the best choice. I think, because I couldn't remember if I think Provolone was the one I should have got, because I couldn't remember which one it was. I know I like American. I think American and Provolone is good. And together. I see ants on the window. I think they're on the outside. Oh my god, I just need I just need a minute. I need a minute. What was I saying? Oh. I was saying sometimes I feel antisocial or I don't know how to make conversation, but I did kind of okay today. So proud of you. Proud of me. I think probably my purpose is just to create videos to keep people company. I really love watching other people's like live streams. I usually catch the replays, but like I just like to watch them. Like while I'm going about my stuff here, like even when I'm working, if I'm like editing photos or not doing anything with audio and don't need like my full brain, I'll put on someone's live stream in the background, like definitely while I'm doing my makeup and while I'm eating usually. So it's just really nice to like feel like you're with somebody else. But, you know, vlogs are cool. I like watching people's vlogs, but live streams in particular, I really like that too. What happened? I think I drooled. I think I drooled. The only problem with drinking it straight from the teat is like the more you open and close that thing, the more compromised it becomes in regards to the carbonation factor. It becomes less carbonated every time you open it. So you gotta really want that drink because you don't want to waste the carbonation. Swiss is a particular taste, isn't it? I screwed up a little bit. That's not what I want. It's not what I meant to get. See? Oh, barely any when you open it. Hey. Oh my god. Okay, I feel like a little keyed up still. So, I think I just need to take a few deep breaths. And I'm going to eat the rest of the sandwich a little later. Thank you for checking in with me and hanging out with me while I eat some of my delicious Subway sandwich. I'm going to probably maybe take a nap even. And then I need to do a lot more work and a lot more packing. So, yeah, see you guys later. Like this video if you like it. Comment below anything that you want. What do you get at Subway? What's your favorite sandwich shop? How tall are you? I forgot to ask you that last time. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye. And it recorded the whole time. So how long is this? It did 15 minutes. It shut off after 5 last time. Rock and fucking roll, man. Here things are good. Bye.